This is what I believe about schooling and what I believe about the senses that they've been telling us, and that's all a big bullshit lie, in my opinion. So schooling, think about school, okay? You go through school 12 years, 13 years, basically, if you make it through the 12 years, and then additional 4 years minimum if you get a trade or get a job other than at, like, 7-Eleven or McDonald's or some shit. Anyway, so you go through school this whole time being fed all this information, this knowledge, okay? And you get out of school. And then you get into the workforce and you work, I don't know, 60 years, 50, 60 years. And then you're free. You're free to do what you want. Huzzah. Okay, but here's the thing. Actually, wait, I'm going to get into the senses first, okay? So the senses that they teach you: eyes, ears, mouth, and nose, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. It's bullshit. There's 5 senses. There's only 5 senses. Okay? And this is how the government is fucking with us and fucking with you guys. Because you guys are, everybody, I'm not saying you guys, but most people, 98% of people, are a slave to their emotions and then a hostage to silence. But okay, hear me out here. The senses: eyes, ears, mouth, head, and balance. Those are the only senses. There's nothing else. Because if we're just a shell, smell. Okay, so first off, smell. Anything that can kill you quickly, you can't fucking smell anyway. So, so eyes, instead of for sight to see, your math book or whatever, it's observer. And the government, the way they see it is, what you see with your eyes is all there is. What you see with your eyes is all there is to see, which is a load of shit. That's what they want you to think. That's why the news is shit's out there. They're only telling you a fucking fraction of the stories. They're telling you what they're doing, but they're not directly telling you, and it's terrible. I'll tell you that. Everybody subconsciously wants to be seen, and they do it. They tell you. So observer, what you see with your eyes is all there is to see. Your ears, programming. What they tell you is what they want, right? They program you through your ears. You believe it, and then you start speaking that shit, negativity all the time, and then you live that shit. So programming, belief, processing, and balance. But most people, they don't even use processing. And the balance, I'm not talking about like walking around. I'm talking balancing the other 3 or the other 4. So most people don't use the last 2. They use the observer, and then they're getting programmed through here and regurgitating that shit. And then they live that fucking life. And they've been following it for years. Their parents do it. Their parents did it. That's why you've been through so many relationships, because you can't think for yourself. You've never been able to think for yourself. Anyway, back to the school now. So you go through school, and what do you think after 12, 13, let's say 16, 17, 18 years of school, maybe? Your fucking creative mind is done. You have no more imagination, because you are getting right out of school and you're going into the workforce being told what to do again all the time. Why do you think they don't teach you probable statistics and shit until you get out of fucking high school? Because they don't want you to know that shit, or you wouldn't gamble and shit like that. You would not put your money in the bank. Yeah, people need to wake the fuck up. Or, like, what do you think is going to happen? All these people that are doing what they're told, what is going to happen when there's no fucking, all of a sudden there's no power for like more than a year, let's say, and you're standing around waiting to be told what to do while everybody else is out surviving?